Okay, now let's just get this set up. Okay, we're ready. We're live. Let's go. So we've had this pullback. We've been going up all day, and now we've got this pullback. Just got to see how much we can flatten out here. It just looks weird on the chart. Yes. Anyway, it will. Let's put this in. Let's do this. So we're very, very early. We're very prepared, very early. We're starting to create a little bit of a base. We've had a pullback, but we're starting to create a little bit of a base down here now. I've said this a million times. This is a crazy, crazy strong market. So when it goes, it's going to go really hard, but we are still in an uptrend on the higher time frames. But right here is a very important level. So if we see if we can hold here first and bounce, that's what's normally happened at the start of all these sessions. Amateurs come in and buy. But we may even, I mean, the pattern looks like it's slowing, so we may even get a short later on. Crazy strong uptrend. So I'm thinking that the second support line that I've got, we could get down to actually. And if we do, that would be a really nice point. Just have to remember how strong this has been. So anyways, what we just have to remember is what are our rules? And that's it. Not that hard. Now, guys, I haven't taken any trades so far. Those trades that you can see on there, I was actually testing something. So what I'm doing at the moment is I'm actually I'm using affordable indicators, and you can see on the panel here, it says two times. So what I'm doing is with my Apex accounts, I'm trading 10 contracts, and these other accounts here, my personal live account, and the Lucid and Take Profit Trader accounts, I'm going to double them. So what that means is if I take 10 contracts on my Apex account, it'll take 20 contracts on my personal account, 20 contracts on Lucid, 20 contracts on the other accounts. Now, obviously, my personal account and the Lucid and the Take Profit just have more leeway. So yeah, I'm just going to be a little bit more. I'm not going to use that word. That just kicked in, Lacey. After Lacey's webinar there, I'm going to eradicate that word that I used to use. going to be anything. I'm just going to increase the contract size. That's it. There's less risk on those. Now I currently have, when I get into a trade, I've got a profit target set of 25 points. So that way, if I get in and it just spikes and takes me out at 25 points, then I'll be happy. But if it gets close to that and I have to manage it, then I'll move it. But 25 points is nothing with this market at the moment. Can do a 40, 50 point bar. So technically, right now on the shorter time frames, we're in a little bit of a downtrend. So if we are going to go up, we need to stay here. We're going sideways. We need to build this base, and then maybe get a move up on the open. But every open for the past couple of weeks has just been so volatile. So about 4.5 minutes to go. We are going to gap up 140 points. It was 280 points, so we've come down quite a bit. Maybe we might have had the top in. This could be a very important open. It could set the tone because past couple of weeks, we open up, either open up high. If we do drop, we've dropped and then recovered really, really fast, really quickly. So that's kind of what I'll be looking for, I think. We're kind of drifting through that level at the moment, but this is the level here. I think we can possibly get down to there. If we get down to there, we should definitely get a bounce, but we're not going to try and guess. We'll just follow. Don't try and create a trade. If it's there, it's there. If it's not, it's not. Okay, so right now you should be going through your rules in your head so you know, like, where are we? What are you looking for? Wow, okay, that's a very interesting bar. Well, that's technically a short, but yeah, it's closed there too. Well, there you go. 9 points straight away. I'm just going to wait till the market opens here. We've just broken through that low, so that means that level I talked about, which was 31.60, is a possibility now. Just drift all the way down. I've got to move that. That's out of sync there. $31.60, $31.74. looks like. Okay, 1 minute to go. Just make sure. I always have my NinjaTrader open on my phone as a backup, just in case something goes wrong. I'm trading my live account, so okay, 15 seconds to go. That is on, so I've got my account up, so that's good. Got that on manage if I need to do anything. Easy. Come on. Just give us a trade and then we can all wrap up. Oh, we just broke through it. Well, I said that trade was a trade, and there you go. Okay, here's the big test. Big test here. Okay, 15-second and 30-second both got sold back into, so gee, there it is. Didn't take long. Okay, well, it's broken through that first level. Now we're down to the second level. Broken through there, so we're right on that first level there. If we can just come down to possibly that level down there. What do we got? Yeah, that's the really significant high. 1, 2, okay, so that's a really big level. Yeah, that'd be nice. Come on, get down there. See, those bars are holding a bit now, which is not great for the downside. not too far off that next low, which is 31.10, so another 20 points. So you can see now, since the open, which is just the first bar, we've had just 4 minutes of sideways, 4 minutes of bars going nowhere. So that's good for the upside. So if someone's short at the moment, they'll start to think, okay, I'm short, it's not going anywhere. It's been 4 minutes, it's been 5 minutes. The longer it goes, the more you start to panic. Then you get out, and you get out by being stopped out, which is going long. We have to remember on the cash chart, trend is still up. So it's a little pullback. So this level here is strong, but if we can go down to this next level, which it looks like it might try and do here. Yep, come on, go. Okay. Oh, here we are. Wow, I didn't think we'd get to this. Okay, massive support level. Well, it's not really a big panic. It's just, it's open down. It's sort of drifting a little bit. I mean, it looks really heavy. I think we'll keep going through here. This actually looks pretty good, and it's just broken through that level now too. So we just need a bit of a panic here. Yeah, it looks really heavy. We haven't seen this for a while. This is weird. We'd seen the market go down. Pre-market futures were just out of control. So strong. No. Oops, sorry guys. Well, not very interesting right now. We can't go long, can't go short. We've drifted into this move. We've done a lot of price down here. I've been conditioned with this market that nothing's impossible and we can come back. Maybe not. That on the 5-minute chart is crazy now. That is very, very significant. Okay, well, might have to change the game plan now. Might have to... I was thinking this market was so strong, it now looks really heavy. So we might have to wait for a little bit of a move up, but the move might actually be a short. Who would have thought this? So amazingly, we've had this really big move down and we're down 26 points. So we've got a long way to go. This can really go. And because this is such a surprise, oh God, that is just, oh. Well, the 15-minute chart just says if we're coming down to 30,000, right on the number too. 30,000 is major support. So we've got 2 minutes to go on the 15-minute. It is well into a price phase. We're a significant distance away from long-term and short-term. Okay, where's it going to be? Where's it going to be? Okay, we got that there. I mean, that is awesome if it got to there. That would be wonderful, but it's too far away. 55 seconds to go on the 15-minute and the 5 closing together. So first 15 minutes And people are probably in shock to actually see a 207.15 minute bar. Huge. So this bar has wiped out a lot of, like 24 hours of going up. I would expect one of the reasons why this is continuing to go down is it's not really, there's no one buying throughout here, but there would have been people in long positions that'll be getting out of their positions. So if they're long, they have to sell. That could be the, okay, very strong 15-minute bar. So we've done that 15-minute bar. So if we go to the next level, probably look at there. As badly as I want to, I'm not going to. Just going to leave this on here for a second, just in case. I've got my full contracts on the other screen. It worked too, straight away. Yeah, Cam. This is one of the things about this market is it's kind of scared you to go short. So, because anyone that's gone short has just got absolutely murdered. So this is the level here. This is the big one. Right, hang on, right there, around about there. Whether we'll get down to that, who knows? Oh, well done, Cam. Lucky I checked. There we go. Yeah, you're not going to get me on this one. Sorry, guys. Yeah, so this is interesting at the moment. It's certainly not bouncing or shooting up really strong. Okay, so short-term momentum has just slowed. We still have lower highs. So very, very clearly sellers lowering their prices. So trends down, momentum's down. We may come back up to, there's a level there. Very interesting. Sold into very quickly. So now you're against momentum, Cam, so you can't do that. So we have bounced very poorly. Very, very poorly. So if you look at how much price, like we've just done a lot of price there. So now we're coming up to here. We'll just do this level here. Yeah, so that's the level on the hourly. So that's the big level there on the 15. So if we get to there, we're going to have to smash through it. I said we'd come back up. There's no entry. No entry. Oh, well. No. So let's see how this is. Good morning, Bella. So we have to remember here that right now the trend is down. So on these charts, the trend is down. So this is actually a pullback. And we have to see how strong this pullback is to the upside. Is it really strong, or is it slower than how it came down? So we've got a minute 40 to go on the 5, which is actually very interesting because it's come back quite strong on the cash. You wouldn't believe this, but if we close really strong on this 5, we could go back up. So this 5-minute bar is very important. We've got a minute to go. If it gets sold into now, it kind of ruins the whole recovery thing. Just keep our eye on this for a second. Man, it looks horrible on the futures. Look at that. Don't you love this? Literally a couple of seconds before, just don't want to trade against momentum here. I'm not going to do it. Possibly go short here, but it's too risky. Momentum is still up. Okay. Well, there you go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really, really poor close. So I feel like that sets up the night now. Look at that. Oh, God, that looks nice. Still, it's just not quite right. So that'll probably come back. So now what we've got is we've got a price phase where the market's come down, and now we've got a time phase coming up where it needs to consolidate. So it's done all this price to the downside. A huge amount of price, like just look at all this price. So you think of it like a fuel, fuel in a car. It's used all this fuel all the way down, and now we need to go sideways and consolidate. We only need one good trade. A good trade here can be 30, 40, 50 points. So we'll wait for the right ones. But as of right now, you can see we're just going up and down. We're in a time phase. So. A little bit better light. Okay. I haven't had too many really nice and clean opens for a little while. Okay, so we're getting a little bit of a rally. 38 seconds to go on the one. Don't want to discount this market. Can do it. Looks okay. It doesn't look good on the 2 though. It didn't close above that high, so let's see what it does here. If I wanted to really have a go, it needed to really go through that high. So this is really interesting. This is really good to see. So normally it'd come up to that high, it's made higher lows, little higher lows, and then just bang, go straight through it. We are actually going sideways right near this level. Do we have any room for the downside? Okay, so the 60-minute has actually closed really strong. It's come back up. It's a good sign. It's just volatile momentum there, so boom, fail straight away. Well, the angle is definitely different. So that makes me think this is about to drop. Damn you, momentum. I knew it wanted to. So the answer is no. can't take it. Just don't mess with momentum. Doesn't know what it's doing. I mean, I still think if I'm looking at a cash chart, it's still holding. Even if we went down really strong right now on the cash. You can just see there's drift in that, so drifted into it. Okay, well this looks interesting. Well, it had a great chance to really go up then, and it didn't, so we're just consolidating now. It's had a chance to go up, it's had a chance to go down. Well, calling the direction is great, but that doesn't really mean shit. We need some sort of move here. We need some sort of definite direction. So it looks like we're going to come down to this low again. And that low was down here. It really didn't coincide with much, but if we can come down to this low again, and that's the first one, we need to come down to this one. That'd be the real good one. I think we're going to bounce. So the biggest key with every single trade, every single position is momentum. We're slowing at the moment. So we're really strong throughout here. We slowed and turned. No, not yet, you're not. Okay. You're gonna try again, are you? Oh, if this jumps, damn it, it did. Just didn't stand out enough. Pull, that came down quick. Nope, just be patient here, Cam. Yeah, okay. Well, Well, this is a little bit tiring watching this because we're just really going sideways in a bit of a range. So there's nothing really going, and the reason is obviously is we've had so much price on the downside. We did a whole heap of price, and yeah, we've now broken this geometric angle on the downside, which is the short-term momentum. So we've broken that, which means the price phase has possibly come to an end, and now we need to do some time, and that is, we either need to go sideways here or we need to do this higher low here and absolutely smash through that high. And that high is at, what I can see is about 30.85. So we may just build. God, that looks just... it sounds so weird, but I really think if we can hold here for the next half an hour or so, we'll probably get a run back up to the top. We had that first move down and it was literally 3 bars, that's it. It was... Sorry guys, I wish this was a little bit more interesting, but I'm just watching this 5-minute level down here because we're coming down to this low. This is actually really good. Okay, we've done all this price, we've gone back up, now we're coming back down to this low with momentum slowing. So I think we could actually get a bounce here. Just need to come down a little bit further. So we're getting this. When we get that, we come down to here, we should get back up to there. Here we go, down to this low. We're going to break through it, or are we going to find some support? Wow, that's interesting. Maybe they're going to flush through that and then reverse it quick, but that's just drifted all the way in past that low. And nope. Looks like we can actually say finally. Finally a pullback. Did something come out about the war finishing today? Yeah, we got a way to go. We've got all the way down to here, really. I'll just be back in 2 seconds. We really needed to bounce off the low. That's what we needed to do, and unfortunately we broke through it. Makes it much harder to recover if it's not a double bottom, not a high or low, but still can. But I think we may have seen the turn today. Oh God, it just looks like on the 15-minute though we need to come up. I mean, we could just hold. We don't necessarily need to come up. Do not trade against momentum, Cam. So tempting here. I mean, tempting to go short there, but this is why we have rules. Okay, so this is looking like what it'll do is come down and do a double bottom, because it usually needs like a higher low or something to really come up. So if it can come down and find support here. Whoa, look at that. Sold into straight away. Well, that ruins that plan, doesn't it? Okay, so we've got 10 seconds to go on the 2, and that's going to close down near the level, along with the 1. We're building towards something in the next couple of minutes. Just not going to mess with that short-term momentum. Ah. Oh, that's strong. this 32nd. We've seen this before, haven't we? When it goes, it goes. Come back down to this. Come back down for a second. Okay, here's the real test. Must recover here. It's pretty good.
Order filled. Order filled.
What a horrible fill again. Why did it work on those and not on those? Yeah, it just happens so quick. We brought all those back, but not the other ones. Should have stayed in, Cam. I wanted to take the one earlier, but I only took it with one. There's nothing really to take at the moment, guys. This is not... what you would have seen me do is I actually got out on the flatten all button on the accounts dashboard because I found that I was having some problems getting out on the close button. So it was closing but not closing out the trade, so anyway, I stuck to what I said I was going to do, so that's good. Double 9-3 and it hit exactly 10 points. So if I'd just done, which I should have done in the first place, I was going to do this. Just going to drift. Well, I called it. I did say double bottom, came down. Oh God, I saw that 30-second. I thought that could be it, and then it was just against short-term momentum. And look at this now. Well, the two most important accounts, the Apex accounts and my account, are up, so couldn't give a shit about the other ones. They change very quick, but total $1.18. Absolutely killing it. This is tough tonight. This is tough to trade. Like, this is just tough. Nothing really clean. That was the first real trade, first real opportunity. There has been nothing else, so I have not missed anything. The best trade was during the webinar. Just as I finished the webinar, that was the best. Damn it, hey. That one there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really wanted to go long on that. So guys, if you see me taking one contract, it's literally just a trade. It's not like, this is really volatile tonight. It's not clean. If it's a proper trade, I'll take 10 contracts on the Apex accounts. I'll take 20 contracts on the evals. So I'll do that. But right now, it's too risky to take full contracts. There is nothing clear. Like, we're downtrending, but we've gone down really volatile. We're trying to recover. It's just not clean. So this has to pop now. This has to go right now. If we're going to go, this is it. to go harder than that. You can't do. Well, it's a 20-point bar though, but yeah, no, doesn't stand out. Well, it just tried. It's a pretty small bar. Nope. Yep, no momentum there. Last chance. Last chance, Nasdaq. Not really inspiring. Yep. Well, I mean, the thing that's holding this back at the moment is the cash, and you've got short-term momentum straight down. I think we'll probably come back down to this level here. I still think we're going to go up. It just doesn't seem desperate enough on the downside. Oh, gee, that looks good. We'll wait for the 30, see if it follows through.
Order filled.
Oh, it's not very nice. Why has it done so much on those? Come on.
Order filled. Order filled.
What happened there? Anyway. Okay, we're back. We are back. We're all green. Well, I don't know what that did. because that seemed a lot more than I thought. When like 2 times, maybe it's not. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into that. That was probably a little bit of a stupid trade. I concentrated on the bar. I keep saying I'm not gonna fuck with blue, and I seriously can. Can anyone tell me what blue is on that, please? Anyway, we're green, so that looks good. We're back. It's not changing the world, but this will be the one that works now. Yeah, I don't think I feel comfortable with this doubling thing. I think I might actually turn that off. I don't trust it. I don't like it. I fortunately got out of that big. You see how quickly it went up and then it came back down and then I was red and then it's come back up. So they're all green. That's good. But yeah, you got to be able to trust it. Anyways, okay, guys, YouTube. I think really, I'm going to end it for tonight. This is you can see how messy it is. It's just really messy. We've had this, really significant move down. Short lower highs. We're below long term, so we're making lower highs, breaking lows. So we're going to need to we're either going to need to just consolidate and go sideways, because look at all that price. Like there's just 15 minute, there's just so much price all the way down there, and I think it's so negative that it's not going to rally. It doesn't want to rally up, so the only other alternative is to sort of sit there and go sideways. So yes. So anyways, I will not be doing the multiplier again. I thought it'd be a smart idea to try and be aggressive on the other accounts. I don't know. I think I'll go back and watch this now, because this is being recorded. I'll go back and watch that and see what it looked like, but it just didn't seemed like I was down a lot more very quickly than I thought I'd be. So okay, we'll come back and we'll do it all tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, please subscribe. You know the drill. We're still keeping things pretty quiet. I'm not, trying to get a lot of people to watch, but I appreciate for those of you that are watching. But we're trading everything now, so we're going for it. So we'll get on a run, and markets come back down. So hopefully we get another big move. Okay, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good night.